So I'm going to show you how to solve some basic absolute value equations. And here's the deal. You actually know how to do this, or at least you should. If I had something like 3x minus 4 equals, I don't know, let's say 8, the first thing you do is you add 4 to both sides, and you'd say 3x equals 12, and that's supposed to look like a 4. And divide by 3, and x equals 4. Well, that's certainly true. Now, watch this. What if I had something like this? 2x minus 5 equals 8. Well, here's the deal. Oh, sorry. There is one other thing I want to do. Minus 4 equals 8. So all you're going to do is you're going to do basically the same exact thing, except you're going to try to get your absolute value all by itself. And we can treat that as an x. And so what I'm going to do is exactly what I did on the other side. I'm going to add 4 first. And I get 3 times the absolute value of 2x minus 5 equals 12. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. I get the absolute value of 2x minus 5 equals 4. Alright. Well, now, here's what I want you to know. On a previous video that I did, and by previous I mean about 2 minutes ago. Oh, goodness me. I said if you have the absolute value of a equals x, and x is greater than or equal to 0, then a equals x, or a equals negative x. Well, here, this is my a, that's my x. I'm going to say 2x minus 5 equals 4, or 2x minus 5 equals negative 4. So you can see, this is my x, and this is my a. And so now you just solve again. Plus 5, plus 5. I get 2x equals 9. Divide by 2. I get x equals 4.5. Or add 5 and add 5. I get 2x equals 1. Divide by 2. I get x equals 1/2 or 4.5. If you plug that back in, 2 times 4.5 is 9. Minus 5 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 4 is 8. So this one checks. Plug in 1/2. Half of 2 is 1. Minus 5 is 4. But take a look at this. Well, that's not true. It's negative 4. And this is what happens when I plug in x equals 1/2. But it's the absolute value of negative 4. So it becomes positive 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 4 equals 8. So this one checks as well. So let's review the steps. Isolate the absolute value the way we would a regular linear equation. Once you have it isolated, which is happening right here, you then make two equations. You say 2x minus 5 equals 4, or 2x minus 5 equals negative 4. You negate this value, and then you just solve it. Solve and check. There is one last thing I want to show you, though. If you have something like this, 2 times x minus 5 plus 6 equals 4. Well, I'm going to subtract 6 first. I get 2 times x minus 5 equals negative 2. Divide by 2. And now I have the absolute value of x minus 5 equals negative 1. Well, remember, the absolute value has to be equal to a number that is greater than or equal to 0. So if you try to solve this, you're going to get x minus 5 equals negative 1, or x minus 5 equals a positive 1. You get x equals 4, or x equals 6. Plug 4 in, you're going to get 4 minus 5, which is negative 1, which is positive 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. That doesn't work. And if you plug 6 in, you're going to get 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8, and that doesn't work. And that should not be a surprise because of this right here. You cannot have the absolute value equal to a negative number. That's it. So to some pretty basic stuff. I went kind of quick, and you might want to watch this video again because there's a lot going on right here. Remember, pause when you need it. Good luck.